Hey everyone, this is Yami, your Latina next door. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a Dollar Tree DIY with these Harvest stemless candle holders. These are now in stock at Dollar Trees for the fall season. I will also be using these long stem glass tea light holders. And I got them each in different sizes. So if you want to see what I make with these, please keep watching. Now, before I start, I do want to say that there are several different colors and styles of these candle holders that you can buy at Dollar Tree in order to make these yourself. Now, using what I had on hand, I got this black satin spray paint that I had in the garage left over from another project, and I began to spray paint the tall tea light holders. You want to make sure you clean them very thoroughly and remove all stickers and any residue left behind in order for the paint to stick very well. After spray painting them from the bottom side, I flipped them over and then painted them from the top and set them out to dry. If you guys are like me and like spray painting small projects like this at a time, I do have a HomeRight spray shelter that helps with overspray. So let's say you either live in an apartment or want to do it like on your deck like I do and don't want to damage anything of, surrounding. These little shelters are pretty amazing, and I'll link to it below, that way you guys can check it out. I have had mine for over 3 years now, and let me tell you guys, it has been used a lot. So it's definitely worth it. Alright, so once those were dry, I came back and I strung some wooden beads over some baker's twine from Dollar Tree, and these are going to go like this, like I'm showing you right here. I have 22 beads strung here, and these are the beads from my Farmhouse Christmas ornaments, as well as my napkin rings that I did for you guys. I'll link those below and above in the cards so you can check them out. This is still from that same package, and these are the smallest of the three. Now what I'm going to do is I am going to string more beads from different areas surrounding this little ring. So we're going to take more baker's twine and we're going to string more beads. And I did 11 beads per string, and I made a total of 5. Now here are all 5 sections finished. Now you're going to leave them loose, and you're also going to want to leave extra baker's twine at either end of each little string. So once you set those aside, you're going to take the larger candle holder piece and you're going to take some floral wire this time. And you're going to need this because you'll see in a minute that you kind of need a tighter, more stiffer hold on this one because of where it's going to go. You're going to string a total of 28 beads for this particular candle holder, and while it's upside down on the counter, you're going to tie it together and you're going to tighten that very end of that wire and just kind of wrap it over itself, and then just cut off the excess. Alright, so now you should have 5 strings of 11 beads and then 2 circles. So what you're going to do is take the wired larger circle and start attaching the strings of beads to it, and you're going to want to space them out evenly. Then once those are attached, you're going to put the candle holder back on the table face down inside of the large circle, and you're going to place the small one on top like you see here, and you're going to begin to attach the other end of the string to that smaller beaded circle. And then you're just going to continue spacing them out evenly as well. And then now you can attach the stems. Now, if you want to make it permanent, all you would do is add some E6000 on the inner rim right here and then attach it down and it'll have a permanent hold. However, for camera purposes, I did not do this. I decided that I wanted to keep them unattached in case I wanted to remove the beads and keep them intact and then just use them at a later time. So it just all depends. You can leave them without the beads, or you can add the beads to them, and they both look beautiful. Now the beads do hang a little loose on the glass. I don't mind that, but if you want them a little bit tighter, I would suggest to remove perhaps 2 beads from the vertical strings of, beads, and it might grip the glass a little bit better, but it all depends on what you like. You can either make them all with the beads or make them all without the beads. I think both ways they look really nice. You can also put them on a table as a centerpiece. I decided to actually use them on a little shelf along with my mini DIY Dollar Tree farmhouses. And of course, remember, another great part is that you have choices of colors and styles for the top piece, and you can spray paint the bottom pieces any color you want to match your decor. Please make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like this, subscribe to see more videos like this, and I will see you guys in the next one. Until then, adios!